Quibdó, Colombia, the rainiest city in the world. A city notorious for having the highest unemployment rate in all of Colombia. A city inhabited by Afro-Colombians and indigenous natives of the land who reside in the world's most biodiverse environment. A city where gangs wield more power and influence than the police. And here we are. Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm your resident gringo. Bienvenidos. And this is San Pacho. And at the moment, dude!
Wow, old people.
You're hijacking my session.
Dad, you are hijacking my session.
Well, you were late. And I just figured you were running around catching Pokemon balls or something. But look, I digress. Go ahead.
Thank you. As I was saying, at the moment, hold on to your butts, you heard? Because this right here, this is a mosh pit. Don't be too anxious. Nah, just give it a second.
So we're about to go and enjoy the festivities of San Pacho. And right now, first thing we got to do, figure out what the hell we about to do. A good friend of mine, well, he's not a good friend of mine, he's just another tour guide, gave me some instructions on how to enjoy the event. And we're gonna follow it at some point. But right now, she's supposed to know what it is. It's not her first event. That is not their first event, so we're gonna go see what it do. So apparently we're waiting for the taxi. That's what we're waiting for. Yeah, so let's wait. Let's wait there. Silento, silento. Now watch me well. Why me, Nene? No, why me, well, why me, Nene? Why me, no? Yeah, we finna get this party started. Pero falta. ¿Por qué no sacamos ningún bebida ni nada? Porque no sé lo que vamos a encontrar.
Un trago.
Ay,
2 tragos.
ay.
No, yo no quiero.
¿Tú no quieres qué?
Ya.
Alcohol.
Sí,
Ya.
entiendo.
Ya.
No me gusta tomando alcohol todo el tiempo. Porque si es lo que tú haces todo el tiempo, no es tan divertido. Cool. Pretty cool. No. Compartimos.
Sure.
Cortito, largo. The story of Quibdó is a story of a people who focus on how they can hold on to what they have today to simply live long enough, dying another day. The heavy Afro population stems from its Spanish colonial days, when platinum and gold mines were discovered in the area, and the Spanish wanted to replace indigenous slaves with African ones. The festival of San Pacho is a festival to celebrate its Afro-Colombian heritage, and it is a tribute to their resilience. And that, my dear friend, is the reason that we have so many dark-skinned Colombians in West Colombia. But let's go ahead and move on. We've reached our destination and we've actually run into a challenge. Just got dropped off by the taxi, but unfortunately, we ran out of storage on the camera. So, while we're getting the camera fixed, London has made a few new acquaintances. And one in particular has grown to be quite fond of him. Good news, right? His girlfriend isn't really taking it too well. ¿De $2?
Wait, they asked? You just gave him a dollar for no reason.
De España.
España.
Wow, España.
Sí, wow.
Estados Unidos.
Es de mi país.
Te la regalo.
Regalo.
Ella quiere ir.
España, see. Spain is crazy. First, one nigga said Mexico, next nigga said Spain.
Yeah, Estados Unidos.
Usted hable. ¿Qué le dijo ahora a él? Ahora.
I speak English, not Spanish.
Ahí hable listo.
Mi español es un poco.
Llévenme. Llévenme para allá.
La maldición acá con usted.
No te preocupes, no te preocupes.
Llévenme para English.
Want me to start at 10?
Yeah, sí, claro, sí.
This how I be when I'm...
Bonito. Llévenme para English.
This what they gonna do.
Give me the SIM card. Give me the SIM card.
The SIM card
Is it restarting or what's going on right now?
It's restarting.
Is it
Son felices en su pobre.
I hope so. Nah, it must still restart.
why?
I don't know.
See, we supposed to be recording it, but we can't because we don't have to fucking
Yeah.
up. And here comes the
Here,
party.
just record real quick, like
Yeah,
grab your
just
phone, grab your
take it
phone.
out. Just take it out.
I don't know what they're gonna do.
You don't know what we're gonna do. Just take it out. Yeah.
I don't understand Spanish really well. I need a translator.
Just ask them how old they are.
Usted es mi suegro.
Él está preguntándote la pregunta.
Están preguntando que si se van a casar o no, pues para que se vayan.
Ella dice cuántos años que ya tienes.
¿Y qué quieren?
¿Quieren agua?
Ella dice cuántos años que tienes.
¿Qué quieren? Si usted nos regala para agua.
I can put it together.
friends is missing. We don't know where she is. This is not really the best time to lose sight of a young girl and her young child. So right now we're trying to find these two princesses and bring them back into safe arms. So right now we're just talking amongst ourselves, trying to figure out when was the last time that we've seen her and what's the best way to go about and find her amongst this big crowd of people. Because amongst this big crowd of people, there's everyone here. The good, the bad, and the uglies.